Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to greet everyone a Merry Christmas, and I would like to welcome you on my Christmas vlog, and I hope you will enjoy this. Thank you. So for today, I'll show you how I will prepare our table for Christmas. And for this year, I just want to make it simple because we'll only make 2 dishes. I will make roasted chicken and barbecue ribs. And using only the same ingredients like canned fruit cocktail, all-purpose cream, and condensed milk, my friends made fruit salad and macaroni salad, now being chilled in the fridge. Not all of us kept our jobs during this pandemic. And for those who are blessed, we should learn how to be grateful. And let's continue to pray for each other. By the way guys, I finished hospitality management. It's like HRM and tourism combined. So I really like presentations, especially table arrangements. These are some of the most used ornaments we have for several years already. Always choose red. I sometimes use it for centerpieces. So for this year, I will make this round and I'll add the candle in the middle. And if you're buying poinsettia flowers, try to buy those that doesn't really look plastic or fake. At least you have irregular sizes, irregular shape, or smaller parts and bigger parts. And I love lights like candles. Like most of these are with me for I don't know how many years now. Like this battery up, it's not working. There you go. And these candles also, you know what, if you're having a lot of celebrations at your homes, it's better to invest in battery operated candles. Candles, if you use, it's, you know, it's a bit dangerous and the shape might change over the years. Why the other one is brighter? Like Christmas lights that are battery operated. So, and these golden deers I have for several years, and because we use this a lot, itong isa it's already damaged, and what I do is I just tape it like that, so it's fine. I will show you how I will transform our table to make it a little brighter. I ordered this from Lazada or AliExpress. And through the years, I was able to collect a lot of different things that I use for several occasions. While as you can see behind me, some are gifts. Personally, I buy things that serves a lot of purposes. These round placemats, which are gifts, and I also have red chargers. I specifically chose red because you can use this for a lot of occasions, like, you know, Valentine's Day, dinner date, or birthday, and especially for Christmas, these holidays. I only have like 4 of these. For now, I'll be using the round placemat and the red chargers, which we normally use for Christmas. And we don't change. This is always as is. And I'll show you some of the clips that we used the previous years. you so much guys for celebrating with us, and we wish you a Merry Christmas! Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more videos.